friends, Ren and Kimono here. So we have two really exciting freebies over at Walgreens. So if you can go there today on your lunch break or after work or after class, it will be Kimono approved. Some really smart deals. The first is to get 2 Axe dry sprays completely for free. So to all the male couponers out there, this one's for you, or for the ladies who like to shop for special guys in their lives. So these Axe dry sprays are 2 for $11, so you're going to have to grab 2 of them. And there is a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. And oh yes, this is a 100% digital deal, so extra frosting on the cake and marks for that. Just to give you a quick peek, what does that coupon look like? Boom, here it is. So load this 2 off of 2 digital coupon. And then if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there is this 3 back when you buy 2. It's at various stores. Walgreens is included. So you're going to get $3 back when you buy 2 of these body sprays. So how wonderful is that? And then if you go over to your Fetch Rewards account, bottom left-hand corner, go to the Discoveries page. I found this at the very bottom. It's 1,000 points for each Axe spray that I'm purchasing, so I'm going to get $2 back. 1,000 points equals $1 in Fetch Rewards land. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 of the Axe sprays, that's 11 on the nose. We have our 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You're paying 9 out of pocket. Getting back $4 of Walgreens cash for buying 2. That's part of a weekly promotion. You're getting back $3 from IBOTTA for buying 2 of them. You're getting $1 back from each from the Fetch Rewards app. So if you add all that up, guys, it shakes it out to free. If you have a little bit of Walgreens cash that you want to use with this offer, absolutely go for it. Now with the Fetch Rewards app, if you go to your Discoveries page, bottom left-hand corner, if you might have this freebie, you have until Friday to get it. It's the Klondike Reese's ice cream bars. It sounds really yummy. 1 per store card. So Walmart, Meijer, whatever grocery store you want to buy it at, make sure you do it by Friday. And also make sure it's still in the app, because whenever there's a freebie like this, they tend to go very quickly. But I mean, this is a really cool app. When they throw these sort of little freebies in, they do it usually once a month. So if you have been on the fence about signing up for this app, check out the link in the notes. Sign up with my team and you'll get an extra $2 when you submit your first qualifying receipt. And a freebie like this that's almost $4, kind of awesome. Okay, and the next little freebie that we have is to get 2 Baby Ruth candy bars for free. How nice is that? So Crunch Butterfingers, this is part of the Nestle company, as is Baby Ruth. So they are 2 for $1. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, there is a quarter back. So you can do it up to 5 times. As you're buying 2 candy bars, you're going to be getting back 50 cents. Please double, triple check that your IBOTTA rebate is there before you go and buy these. And then if you go over to your Shopkick account, there's 150 points back, which is basically like 60 cents. And then if you scan it, you get an extra 15 cents in the store. I always forget to scan stuff in the store. So here's the math for this one. Grabbing 2 of those, it's $1. You're going to pay that out of pocket. Get back 50 cents from IBOTTA and 60 cents from Shopkick, making this free plus a 10-cent money maker. For this one, you know how I'm always like, use some Walgreens cash. I think you're going to want to balance for this, because sometimes Shopkick, if your receipt is at a 0, they'll say, we can't find anything on your receipt, which is kind of annoying. So you need a little small balance for that, just to point that out. Now, if some of you were on the Walgreens app this morning looking for the ad for the next week, which is the 24th to the 30th, I'm going to let you know it's not there. This is the first time in years I've seen it not there. I'm not sure if they're doing some sort of software update or what the heck is going on, but something's going on. So I don't know if they're doing an update. I know that anytime I log into my app, it immediately wants me to sign up for their pharmaceutical program for like all my medications and stuff, and I'm like, I don't want to do that. I just want this for the savings, and that's where I'm going with the app. So I'm not sure what's going on, but you are not alone. I still want to do a Friday preview, but that might be a bit challenging if there's no ad, so I'll have to figure something out. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.